What's going on, boaters? We are on board a 2027 Barletta Lusso 23 QCSS. You have white and black panels on the exterior. Let's check out a few features on the inside. Starting off in the bow, you have your two bow couches with your armrests. You have RGB lighting throughout the whole boat, JBL speakers. Coming back here, we have your pop-up table, your co-captain and captain's chairs. At the helm, you have dual Simrad touchscreen displays. In the back, you have your two bow couches, and in the way back, you are going to have your extended platform, so lots of room to go swimming off of. You have your anchors locker back here, making it nice and easy to get at. You're not asking anyone to get out of their seats. You have your audio controls back here when you're at the sandbar, and it is powered by a Mercury 250 V8. You're going to want to come check out this boat at MarineMax Nisswa, or visit it on our website at MarineMax.com. Let's get you out on the water yet this summer.